In this video, I want to show how to create a seller's account on Fiverr. If you want to know how to do this, then keep watching. So the first thing will be to click the link in the description of this video. If you check the description of this video, you're going to see a link that's going to bring you to this place. So you click that link, it's going to bring you to this place. You can see it says right here, join Fiverr. Okay, so these are various ways you can join Fiverr. Okay, so let's say you want to join Fiverr via your Facebook account, you could click this. You want to join via Google, you could click on this. You want to join with Apple, you could do that. And if you want to continue with your email, you could click on this. Okay, so let's sign up using email. So having entered your email, the next thing you would do is to click on this continue button. Now the next thing would be to choose a username, as you can see right here. So it says choose a username. You're going to have to choose a unique username. Now the username you're going to choose, you are not going to be able to change it later. Okay, so it is wise to make sure you think about the username and put it in here, because you can't change it later. Okay, so after that, the next thing would be to put our password, and then we click the join button. Now that's going to bring you to this place. As you can see up here, it says Brigzel, you need to activate your account. Okay, so what you're going to have to do now is to go to your email and click whatever link that has been sent to you. From there you could start. So right here in my email inbox, as you can see here, I've got a Fiverr email. So I'm going to click on that. So that's going to open. So that's going to bring me to this. So you are almost there. Just confirm your email. So here it says activate your account. So I'm just going to click on that button. Now that's going to bring you to this page. As you can see here, it says your account is already activated. So the next thing would now be to create a seller's account. What we've been doing so far was simply creating an account. Okay, now we're going to have to create a seller's account. So to do this, what we're going to have to do is to come over here where you have that symbol there. So if I zoom that in a little bit so you can see, so what you're going to do is to scroll down. So you scroll down to where it says general. So you're going to go to where it says settings. Okay, I'm doing this on my mobile device. Okay, so if you're doing it on a computer, it's basically the same process. Okay, you are going to follow the same procedure. Okay, so now right here, this is your profile, the profile you basically use to create an account, because what we've been doing so far was to simply create an account on Fiverr. Now you're going to have to create a seller's account. Okay, so to do that, you're going to see where it says right here start selling. Okay, so you see that symbol, so you're going to click on that. So that's going to bring you to this place. Okay, so you can see where it says become a seller. You're just going to click on that thing right there. So that's going to take you to the next page. So right here now, Fiverr believes you need to have good orientation on how to get started. Okay, so you can see a bunch of stuff here telling you what to do and what not to do as a seller on Fiverr. So you can see here it says ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here is a breakdown. So it gives you all those things. Okay, so you just click next. You might want to read it a little bit, and then you can see brings you to the next page. You click next. So that brings you to this page again. Now let's talk about the things you want to steer clear of. Okay, so you can read all of them, and then boom, you click continue. So you can see finally you are here. Okay, so it brings you to this place. So you are going to have to follow these processes till you get to the last. So the first one here basically says personal info. So personal info, this is where you're going to have to put your details. So here where it says your full name, you're going to put your full name here. You're going to put your last name here, and then here where it says profile picture, you're going to have to click on this to upload a profile picture from your device. Okay, so the next thing here is where it says description. So this is where you're going to have to write a little bit about the professional service you want to offer on this website. Okay, so let's say you are an SEO expert, so you're going to basically write a description about yourself. So you're going to search SEO experts on this platform and check out their description, and then pattern your description after theirs. Okay, so that's it. Always pattern your description after what is already selling. what is successful. So if you come to Fiverr here with this, use this search button here and click something like SEO expert, that's going to show you a bunch of people who are selling this service here. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is to click on one of these guys to learn from their professional profile. Okay, so if we come to this guy here, you can see when you go down here, you can see where it says right here. Okay, you can see where it says about the seller. So you can see where this guy has written a simple description about the business he wants to do. So you're going to have to search this and kind of pattern your description after one of these. Okay, and then once you've done that, you are good to go to the next level. So after filling in the details on the first page, as you can see here, I'll put a picture, put a description about this thing, choosing a language. The next thing will be to go to this next level, and as you can see here, we're already 30% complete. So we're going to click on the continue button down here. So that's going to bring us to this second phase. So here it says we should choose our occupation. Since we're going with SEO, so that's kind of like a digital distance. If you click on this button here, you're going to see a lot of stuff to select from here. So if I zoom that in, you're going to see it here. So you click the digital marketing or choose whatever is related to whatever you want to do here. So you can see from what year to what year. You're going to click on that. So let's say from 2018 to like say 2020, so you're gonna to 2021, sorry. So you're gonna click on that. So here it says clearly choose 2 to 5 of your best digital skill marketing. So SEO, so we're gonna select SEO. So selected that. So we could click on video marketing. So that's 2 now. So we could use, if you know about SEM, okay, so you could click that. Web traffic, you could choose that. So we've got 4 chosen now. So let's say content marketing, so you could click on that last one. So we've got 5 chosen. The next thing here would be to add your skills. Okay, so you're gonna have to add relevant skills. Okay, so I'm just gonna put any kind of skill here. That doesn't necessarily mean that's what you need. Okay, so you're gonna put your experience level. So if I click on that, you can see this button here. So that's you're gonna basically choose expert level. That's gonna bring you to this place where you'll be able to key in your educational qualifications and then your certifications. That's if you have, and then if you've got a personal website, you put it in here, and then you click the continue button. But before you click the continue button, you have to go over it again to be sure you chose the things you wanted to choose. You can see under the skills, we added these things here. So, and then after that, you click the continue button, and that's going to bring you to the third phase in this process. So here it talks about linked accounts. So your social presence. So here, these are the accounts you might want to link. Maybe you want to link your Facebook, you could click connect. You want to link Twitter, you could click connect. These are possible accounts you might want to link here. So once you are connected, you click the continue button. So that's going to bring you to the last step, which is account security. So this is where you have to you can see the first thing here is email. It's already verified. So here it says phone number. You might want to add your phone number there, and once you're done, you click the continue and create your first gig button, and you would be done with the whole process. So this is how you can sign up on Fiverr and create a professional account. So once I hit this button now, it's gonna complete the process and then take me to a page where I'll be able to create my first gig. So this is it for this video. This is Big Zell Bees, and is your guy Ken signing out.